Hello there guys, welcome back or welcome if you're joining for the first time. In today's video, we'll be looking at introduction and trends in drug discovery and development. Now, drug has really come a long way. From eating S1 rolled in honey for gastritis, eating our brain for headache, eating goat liver for jaundice, and eating the skull of a human for epilepsy. God, medicine then was crude. Now, despite some of these drugs working, medicine this crude had a lot of drawbacks. First off, it was unreliable in efficacy. Because of its bitter tasting, patients couldn't really comply to their dose, and it has a high toxicity risk. So, for medicine to become what it is today, things needed to change. Now, enter the 20th century. During the 20th century, there was a huge advancement in chemistry that allowed for synthesis and purification of huge organic molecules to extract the active components of the drug that actually worked so it can be mass produced and be given in an appropriate dose. Also, during the era of antimicrobial chemotherapy, there was synthesis of antibiotics that helped increase the survival rates of patients suffering from severe infections. So really, drug discovery and development has gone so far in the past 100 years, as you can see in the timeline. Advancement in molecular biology led to the development of biologic drugs based on the actual structure of antibodies, receptors, and human protein. And historically, discovering new drug relied on the trial and error method, which decides potential lead compounds and tests them over and over again. Basically, it's like having a bunch of keys. I don't know which key fits the door. So you keep testing different keys till you find the key that actually unlocks the door. This is known as the irrational approach. But the rational approach, which is defined as the reasoning approach to developing medicine, requires a deep understanding of the disease molecular pathophysiology and the 3D structural nature of its target molecule. Basically, instead of trying multiple keys to you find a key that work, you go to the keyhole, create a mode of the keyhole. From that mode of the keyhole, you create a key. That is the rational approach. Now, we've seen the first two trends in drug discovery and development, which is the irrational and rational design, which both describe errors in drug discovery. Next is the future of drug discovery. So the trends here are the antisense approach, which uses ribosomes and RNA, then biopharmaceutical and biologics, talking about monoclonal antibodies, then gene therapy and stem cell therapy. In the part two of this video, we'll be starting with the antisense approach.